Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a smooth cylinder in Blender. So if you want to do it, we need to go to Object Mode and then we need to go to Add. Here we select Mesh and we need to choose here Cylinder. So I click on this one option and like you see, our cylinder has been successfully created here, but it isn't smooth yet. We need to edit this object. So we need to go to the right side and click on Modifiers. We need to open Modifier Properties. Now we need to click Add Modifier, then we need to go to Generate and select here Edge Split. Now I change edge angle to 25. Then we need to go again to Add Modifier. We need to open Generate and click here on Subdivision Surface. So I open this one option. And here we need to go to Levels and change it to 6. So I change it to 6. And after that we click on the arrow and then we click Apply. Then we click here again on the arrow and we click Apply. And like you see, our smooth cylinder has been successfully created here and it looks really great. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.